everybody, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to dance with this beautiful lady on my back. By the way, this is Maman, Pinky, Novo, Shirley, and Ellie. So today we're gonna teach you the choreography that we made to the song called SUGE, YEA YEA by DABABY. I hope I pronounced it right. Alright, let's start. Alright, so this one you're gonna close feet together. You're gonna step to your left and right. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then cross your hand. 5. Open 6. Then shoulder and close. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, you're gonna step to the back. Your hand. 1, 2. One more time. So step to your right. We focus on our legs first. Right, left to the back, right to the back, and close together. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Legs first. Right, left, right. Then you're gonna bounce up. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then your hand goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Close. Let's do it together. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3. Close. All right. Next, shoulder to the front. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. 9. Let's do it all together. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close. 8. All right. Next, you're gonna open it. 1, 2. You need to wait. 3. Then knee on 4. Then step right to the back while the arm going down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Let's do it. So 7 and 8. Gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you're gonna go walk all the way to the back. 7, 8. That's right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next, you're gonna step 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 7 to the front, slide. 3, 4. Sorry, close on 4. Again, 7 and slide. 2, 3, close on 4. And this time cross. 5, 6, 7, and 8. At the same time, your body is doing this all the time. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go slide. 2, 3, close 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your arm, you can do anything. You can freeze or something. 7, 8. Alright, next you're gonna step your right to the right side. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, close on 4. And 5, 6, drop on 7, 8. That's easy. That's right. 6, 7, and 1. Slide. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next for this one you can add lib. Alright? 4 count. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then left, right, left. So this is count 7 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then shoulder. 5, 6, 7. Lift on 8. Okay? Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 7. Let's try again. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, left, right. 7, 8. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Clap on 4. Shoulder. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Then drop on 1, 2, 3, 4. Then shoulder. 5, 6. You gotta lean back. 5, 6, 7, lift on 8. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Sorry, because I don't want to stay here. Come on. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9. Shoulder, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, the last one. So you end up here. You're gonna lean left, right, and clap. Then other side. Lean, up, and clap. That's it. And let's try one more time. 6, 7, and lean and clap. Lean in, twist, and clap. That's it. Let's try from the beginning. All right? All of it. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, close, 5, 6, 7, and hit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and hit 1, 2, here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, shoulder, 6, 7, here we go, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow us. See you soon.